Hi, it's Alex from the Wildlife Center of Virginia. Independence Day is right around the corner, which means that in just a few short days, millions of Americans will be celebrating the 4th of July through some classic and time-honored American traditions. That might be grilling or barbecuing with friends and family in the backyard, hitting our favorite hiking trails or fishing spots or campsites, or for a lot of people, fireworks and the 4th of July go hand in hand. The dazzling display of color and sound can be a really exciting experience for some people, but wildlife, both native and domestic species, perceive and experience fireworks very differently. The intense flashes of light and booming sounds that can echo and reverberate for miles can disrupt their natural behaviors, cause them to disperse from their local ecosystems, and potentially puts them in harm's way. Depending on how you celebrate, the 4th of July can be a pretty busy day. For wildlife rehabilitators, the 5th of July is almost guaranteed to be a busy day. The shock of seeing and hearing fireworks can cause some wildlife, like songbirds and raptors, to flee their natural habitats, ending up in unexpected areas or roadways, flying into buildings and other obstacles, and even abandoning nests, leaving young vulnerable to predators. The threat to wildlife doesn't stop at startling lights and sounds, though. Fireworks also have the potential of starting wildfires, displacing wildlife and destroying essential habitats. Litter from firecrackers, bottle rockets, and other explosives can be choking hazards for wildlife and may be toxic if ingested. The combustion of heavy metals and chemicals release harmful contaminants that pollute the air, waterways, and soil, which in turn poisons plants, wildlife, livestock, pets, and humans, both near and far from the original explosion. Luckily, as with so many other threats that wildlife face that are directly related to human activity, there are simple, easy to follow, and effective solutions. It might be hard for some people to imagine a 4th of July without fireworks, but this year the Wildlife Center is encouraging people to consider these low-cost and low-impact firework alternatives. Live music is a great alternative to fireworks displays. Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we were so gallantly streaming. Do you feel patriotic, Marigold? Now, whatever your opinion is on the musician who's actually performing is up to you, but the fact remains that live music is vastly less disruptful and less stressful for wildlife compared to fireworks. Blowing bubbles can be a good alternative to fireworks because they're low impact and low cost, and they're just plain fun. Confetti is a universal symbol of celebration, and you can find lots of colorful materials right in your own backyard. Leaves, dead leaves, green leaves, brown leaves, yellow leaves can be a colorful alternative for fireworks. Happy 4th of July! If you're not quite ready to forego fireworks completely this 4th of July, a great thing that you can do is to look up to see if your city, town, or county has an organized fireworks display and attend that instead of buying your own personal fireworks and firecrackers to shoot off at home. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new or if you liked what you saw today, let us know by liking and commenting and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are up to date with all of our latest videos.
jazzy. All done. All finished.